Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the security clearance checks on reports in Kidsoft. There are multiple reports you can locate this information. To start with, you can click on your reports menu and under Forms, click on Sign In and Out. The security clearance data is available on both the daily and the weekly sign in and out format. When generating the date and clicking search, you will see the security clearance check message and the list of the staff members' user account names, if they have been electronically signed, and the date and time it was completed. Any staff members that have not completed the check for that particular day, the space will be left blank until it has been completed electronically. You will notice on the completed side, it will indicate whether it's been completed or it has not been completed. If the staff member completes it on the correct day, it will always display as yes. If the staff member has completed the security clearance for a day in the past that was missed and they selected no, it will report as no. So remember, this means that not only did the staff member not complete the action on the correct day, they also did not complete the security clearance check. When viewing the weekly report, it will display the security clearance check message for the entire week and have a breakdown of each staff member's electronically signed details for each day. Please remember, if you do update the security clearance check message midweek, the new data will not display until the following new week on the Monday. Clicking back onto the reports menu and under Other, you can click on I Check In. This report gives you a choice if you would like to display this data or not. If you would like to see the security clearance message information on this report, you can simply tick the box. When we generate the date range and click search, you will then see the security clearance check message and again with the staff members' signed details. We have also added in a new report. So when clicking on the reports menu and under Other, you can locate the security clearance report. This will help services when you would only like to look at the security clearance data on its own without any sign in and out information. The date range is mandatory. However, you can search for a particular period of time that you wish. When clicking search, you can see we are displaying the security clearance message along with the staff members' signed details. This report can be emailed out of Kidsoft, generated into a CSV, or saved as a PDF. When generating into a CSV, we will not display the security clearance message. We will only show the staff member electronically signed, the time, date, and whether it has been completed. The security clearance report is available in both service and enterprise modes. For further information on the reporting for the security clearance feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.